Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to delete a Netflix profile on your iPhone. First, open the Netflix application on your device. Once the app loads, locate and tap on your profile icon, which is typically found in the upper right-hand corner. Tapping this icon brings you directly to the Who's Watching screen, where all available profiles are clearly displayed. This prepares you perfectly for the next step of managing your profiles. From the Who's Watching screen, your next step is to locate the Manage Profiles button. This crucial button is typically found towards the bottom center of your screen. Once you tap Manage Profiles, an edit icon, resembling a small pencil, will appear over each existing profile. This indicates that you are now in the editing mode, ready to select the profile you wish to modify or remove. Now, tap on the pencil icon that appears over the specific profile you wish to delete. This action will take you to that profile's individual settings page. Scroll down through these settings until you locate the Delete Profile option, which is usually highlighted. Tap this option, and a confirmation prompt will appear. To finalize the process, simply tap Delete Profile one more time. After confirming, the selected profile is immediately and permanently removed from your Netflix account. All associated viewing history, preferences, and lists from that profile are deleted forever. Remember, Netflix requires at least one profile to remain active on your account at all times. If you are deleting the last profile, you will be prompted to create a new one to continue using the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.